Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Instagram carousel templates with brand spacing rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Instagram carousel templates, gather all necessary tools. Open your design software, such as Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Create a new document that matches Instagram's carousel dimensions, typically 1080 by 1080 pixels. Choose the first template to restore and import it into your design software. Examine the existing elements within the template. Identify any inconsistencies in spacing that need to be adjusted. Apply your brand's spacing rules, which usually dictate margins and padding. Make sure to keep a balance between text, images, and white space for clarity. Use guides or grid lines to help align elements consistently. Adjust image sizes and positions based on your spacing rules. Repeat this process for each slide in the carousel. Once all slides are adjusted, review them as a whole. Check for visual harmony between the slides. Ensure that your brand colors and fonts are consistently applied throughout. Save your work frequently to avoid any data loss. When satisfied with the adjustments, export the carousel as a high-quality JPEG or PNG file. Finally, upload the restored carousel to your Instagram account. Ensure everything looks as intended before publishing. Your carousel should now reflect your brand's identity effectively. Review your post's engagement metrics after publishing to gauge success. Continue to refine your templates based on performance data for future posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.